everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please guys, to support my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix an invisible zipper. This is an invisible zipper. This is the slider, okay, and this is the teeth of this zipper. You can see that the teeth is actually on the other side. Yeah, it's on the wrong side of the zipper. Okay, so the idea is that we do not want the teeth to show on the outside. Yeah, it is only the slider here, which is this, that will actually be apparent here on the fabric. Okay, I'm using a yellow zipper, okay, so that I can drive that point home. Okay, so by the time we fix it, yeah, we shouldn't be seeing anything yellow, okay, except this slider. I hope you understand me. Okay, so to fix an invisible zipper, actually there is a special foot for it. Okay, so if you want to get a perfect zipper, you need a foot. Some machines use this. This is for an industrial machine, okay, and some machines use this. Okay, this is for a domestic machine. Okay, I couldn't get a shorter zip, okay, so permit me guys, I'll be using this to illustrate how to fix it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to iron your zipper allowance, like I have done here. I've already ironed the allowance. The next thing is to put your zipper under the zip allowance. Okay, so this is the wrong side, this is the right side facing me, right? Okay, so I'm putting my zipper here because at the end of the day, this is what I want to achieve. So I'm placing it exactly how I want the zipper to be. So now after doing this, you know, this is the top part of the zipper, okay, that is facing up, right? That means that this side, the left side of the zipper, will be sewn to the left side of the zipper allowance. Okay, so I can pin it now, and then this side will be sewn to the right side, but I'll do one side first. So this side will be going with this side, right? So what I want to do now is to, after turning it to the wrong side, okay, I will now unzip the zipper. So now, can you see the teeth? Do you see the teeth of this zipper? You said that you can actually unfold it. Okay, you can unfold it. So one thing you need to do when you sewing with an invisible zipper is that you will ensure that the teeth of the zipper, okay, this very tip, okay, place it right on top of the crease. Okay, that's why it's good to iron. So you place it right on top of the crease. Okay, so that when we are sewing, we can unfold that part that is folded. Okay, and we'll be sewing right in that fold. So now what we have to do is to pin. Okay, so when I get to this point, you know I've already sewn from the bottom to this point, right? I'll pin right below, okay, right below this part that I have sewn. Okay, still on the same allowance, I'm going to pin right below it. Okay, I'll do the same to the other side as well. So this is the other side. Ensure the zipper is well aligned. Okay, so you take the zipper allowance of the other side. Ensure that the teeth is on the crease of the zipper allowance. Okay, ensure the teeth is on, right on top of it. Okay, when you're sewing the invisible zipper, you don't sew on the main fabric like you would do when you're doing an overlap zipper or any other kind of zipper. Okay, you will sew on the zip allowance. Okay, so you pull out the zip allowance this way okay? It won't be underneath the fabric. It will be right this way, okay? So you'll be sewing very close to these teeth, okay? That's why I said you should pin on the zipper allowance, so that you'll be pushing by, as you are sewing, right? You'll be pushing the teeth open this way. Push it open this way so that you can sew just inside this fold, okay? Now that I've pinned down the zipper, I'll take it to my machine and I'll sew it, okay? And then I'll show you the things to do. So I'm going to change my foot to the zipper foot. So guys, under the zipper foot, you see these two openings, okay? This one and this one, okay? You put the teeth of your zipper right in between. So it depends on the side you're sewing. If you're sewing this part, which is the left part, if you're sewing this part, okay, you open it up such that it will be underneath, okay, this way. You unfold the teeth, okay, and make it go right underneath, okay? You see it's in between now. So by the time you're sewing, okay, you'll be able to sew very close to it. I hope you understand me, okay? You put the teeth of your zipper right in between the bottom of the foot, okay? So as we are sewing, I'll use my hand to push the teeth open, okay, to open up the teeth, to unfold it. Okay, so when I get to this part that I want to stop, okay, this part, you know, I sewed from the bottom up, yeah? So when I get to this part, I'm still going to sew beyond this part. Yeah, I'll come down a little, about maybe half an inch, okay? You can do it back stitch too. Okay, so we'll sew the right side as well. Okay, so for this other side, I'll be using the left side of my foot, okay? Ensure that the teeth is right underneath those holes that I showed you, okay? And then you sew. You open up the teeth, okay? And then you sew. So when I get to this part as well, okay, I'm going to sew beyond this, my initial sewing, by about half an inch, okay? Okay. And then I'll remove the zipper. Guys, I didn't remember to tell you that you unzip the zipper. You pull it out of your way completely, okay? You pull the zipper, the slider rather. Okay, so the slider is actually here, and this is where I stopped my sewing. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to push the slider, okay, and put it right here, okay? You know the slider, this is the head of the slider, okay? So you push it up, okay, to where you'll be able to pull it, and then you pull it, okay? Just pull it gently so that it can come out. Okay, you see it's still inside. Let me show you the right side. The zipper is actually underneath. Okay, so you pull it. Okay, can you see it? This is an invisible zip. Can you see that despite the fact that I used the yellow zipper, it's not even showing at all. It's not showing at all. okay, except I pull it apart. So it's only the slider that is obvious. It's only the slider that is obvious, okay, that can make anyone know what the color is. Okay, the slider stopped here because this is where the top stopper is. Okay, by the time I finish my neckline, okay, this way and this way, the slider will be right in place. Okay, so can you see? It's not hard at all. Okay, so this is what an invisible zipper looks like. You see it on your ready to wear clothes, the clothes you buy from the store. Okay, so this is how it is made. Yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not, and if you have any questions, please drop them. Have a great day. Bye.